In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in OS Launcher 18 and install free app from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select Get Started. Click on I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now select while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add, and when you're ready, adjust all of those options however you want to. Then to apply your launcher, hit Set as Default at the top. Tap on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by going back to the same launcher app, tapping on Set as Default and choosing Quick Step Launcher instead of iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!